How we can actually download video from Pinterest. Have you ever wondered how you can do it easily without paying any kind of software and just download the video pin basically from Pinterest and maybe put it on, recycle the content to some other social media content. So let's see in this video how you can do it. This is a short video tutorial how you can download video from Pinterest for free. I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest manager and strategist and also business manager. I help small and middle-sized businesses to grow their business using social media, mainly Pinterest, and of course, not only social media. So in this video, we are going to see how you can download video from Pinterest and use it maybe and recycle this content for different platforms and how to do it easily for free. Let's see how you can download video from Pinterest. It's pretty easy and free. So here's my video pin. You can see each pin has this URL. So this is like the link you want to use. And let's say I want to download this pin, this video pin, because it's like a animated pin which is moving the text, and I want to use this video. It can be anything. It can be animation pin. It can be a video pin, okay? But each pin has this URL you want to take. So how we can actually going to do it? We basically copy this link on the top. You see pinterest.com pin and the number. Each pin has its own number. When we copy it and then we go to this platform, Pinterest downloader.com. All right. There is some ads, of course, because it's a free program, so don't worry about it. Basically, we are going to follow this process and first copy the link. We already have the link of the Pinterest profile. So we have this link, right? Copy it. And here you see in the middle of the ads, you have to be a little bit careful here. Just click here and paste the pin. You see the link of the pin. Easily you can click on download, and this program without the Pinterest logo and without the Pinterest watermark. You see here, this is our video. You can click on download video. It will give you usually some kind of bigger version of this video. So you can go right click and save video as, right? And we already save it as pin. It will save to our computer. I can click replace, and now you see the pin is downloaded on my computer. So basically it's without the watermark, without it, basically it's the video pin or video animated pin in this case, without any kind of logo from Pinterest or watermark. So you can easily use this, repurpose and recycle this content and put it somewhere else, right? You don't have to only use it for Pinterest. If you already made a video, so you want to put it somewhere else, I would recommend you to use it because it's the best way how you can use it more ways, not only for one platform, but of course, recycle it and repurpose this content to more social media. So you never know when this video might be working, not only on Pinterest, but of course on maybe Instagram, maybe TikTok, and easily you can do it this way without actually paying for any program. It's for free. Pinterest downloader, how you can download this for free without any kind of other problems, and you see how easy it was, right? So this was a video about how to download video from Pinterest. And if you like my videos, I post every week new videos about business tips and Pinterest marketing tips and different strategies for your e-commerce store. So follow me here, subscribe to my channel, and I will be happy if you support me in the journey. And I see you in next video next week. Have a great day.